So today I'm in La Paz, Bolivia, and I'm going to attempt to ride the cable cars. I don't know how it works, I've got no idea what I'm doing. But we're going to give it a go anyway. Gracias.
Gracias.
Okay, so I got a car for Circuito Completo, maybe. But yeah, I don't know where I'm going. Hopefully I'll be able to get back here again to the blue station. It's all run on colours, so it shouldn't be too hard to follow, I guess. And I'm all the way out. Yeah. Okay, so I'm about to go through a station. But if I understand it right, I'm not supposed to get off here, I'm supposed to ride it all the way to the end of the line and then jump on the next colour. Well, the doors have opened, but I don't want to get out. I'm assuming I can just stay on. Ooh, we're now coming up to another station and I can see the silver line as well. So I don't know if that means that this is the end of the line and this is where I should get off. So I made it to the end of the blue line. Now I think I'm getting on the yellow. Ooh, or maybe the green. Not sure. Okay, so I've come outside of the station now. I'm not sure if I should have done because it doesn't look like a very tourist friendly area. But the view should be amazing if I can find somewhere to get some pictures from and some footage, because we are high as... Wow, this is amazing. You see everything. See the cable cars, yellow ones that have just come on, coming up and down. Snowcat Mountain in the background. The whole of the city of La Paz. Decent, but I don't like the area that I'm in at the minute. Just down some shady back alley. And I'm now on the grey line. I just hopped off the yellow line to have a little wander around in the station, but it looked a little bit shady. The best views are up here really. Just a shame the windows are filthy, and in the yellow car I had loads of people in here with me. Well, not in here. This isn't the yellow car, this is the grey car. I've already established that. They was in the yellow car, so was I. And that's all the past cable cars done. I think it's about an hour and a half journey in total to do the full loop. I'm exhausted now. Probably going to go to bed.